All right, today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade green bean casserole. This is so delicious. I'm starting out with 6 cups of cooked fresh green beans. I do highly recommend fresh green beans, but if you're in a hurry and doing a lot of cooking, you can also use canned green beans. And then we are using 2 cups of cream of mushroom sauce. I have the recipe for that on the blog at farmhouseharvest.net, and we'll link it below. You can also use 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, or 2 cups of canned cream of mushroom soup, along with ground black pepper, heavy cream, onion powder, and crispy fried onions. We just get that mixture into a bowl, mix it till everything is well combined, and then we are going to spread that into the bottom of a buttered 9x13 casserole dish. This is one of our favorite recipes. I love this. If there's any leftovers, I hide them for myself. You're gonna love this recipe. So we're gonna bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna remove it and spread another cup of the crispy onions over the top of it and put it back into the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes until those fried onions are golden brown and heated through. You really have to watch it at this point not to let it burn. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. I have everything linked in the description box below. We'll see you next time.